What if AI could invent a dish so delicious, so perfectly balanced, it would redefine cuisine? From Michelin star kitchens to your home, AI is cooking up the flavors of the future. First, AI for generative recipes. Chefs are using AI to explore novel ingredient combinations and create entirely new dishes. You input desired flavors, textures, and dietary restrictions, and AI generates unique recipes. It can even predict how different ingredients will interact, leading to unexpected culinary masterpieces. It's a creative partner for every chef. Second, AI for personalized nutrition. AI analyzes your health data, dietary needs, and taste preferences to create custom meal plans. It can suggest recipes that meet your macros, avoid allergens, and even help you achieve specific health goals. It's like having a personal nutritionist and chef all in one AI. Third, AI is enhancing food quality and safety. AI vision systems inspect ingredients for freshness and detect contaminants on production lines. In restaurants, AI monitors cooking temperatures and hygiene standards, ensuring every meal is safe and delicious. It's bringing a new level of precision and safety to our food supply. AI is transforming how we eat, from how food is created to how it's prepared. Embrace these innovations to explore new culinary horizons. Subscribe to Boomin' AI to savor the future of food and technology. AI is transforming how we eat, from how food is created to how it's prepared. Embrace these innovations to explore new culinary horizons. Subscribe to Boomin' AI to savor the future of food and technology.